I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans were lower. It seems that there's like a minor short-term downtrend that's in effect right now and kind of pushing the market a little bit lower. The futures are definitely following that corn path of just the market trending lower, and it's really been unable to sustain any rallies that we've had over the last few days. We get a little bit higher and it keeps bringing in some selling and puts a lid on any kind of rally and pushes it down somewhat. It seems like the market is just looking for more fundamental news to give it a boost. It seems that all the fundamental news actually is relatively bullish, but we're not getting the buyers stepping in to push this market a little bit higher, even with the US dollar index lower today. So it just seems that we're a little bit in lagging in the market, and maybe some lackluster trade, and everyone taking a breather because of all the gyrations in the market because of the saber rattling out of the White House. So perhaps that's kind of what is happening today. Even corn today was slipped again. It seems that their bearish momentum is starting to gain a little bit of strength on the downside. Although, and because of that, it was lower for the fourth day in a row again. And it also seems that the national corn price index is signaling to sell. Those kind of technical numbers and those kind of selling signals really start to push some of the markets, and maybe any of the week longs will start to liquidate somewhat, and not completely. We're very early. We haven't really got anywhere near the planting season yet. But one thing to watch: these freezing temperatures and the snow could definitely make it very difficult to get planting done on time, and I believe we're looking at maybe April 22nd or 23rd when they really want to start to get some of this planting in. Then when those days come upon us, we're going to be looking at more of a delay. I think that at that time we're going to get the market a little bit higher. Wheat was the one that really tumbled today, and I think that that's what brought all the markets down. It seemed that the improved weather across the U.S. Plains has everyone believing that now we've mitigated all the problems for the winter wheat, and it's going to revive all the crops, which seems kind of interesting because we have had in the Kansas area and some areas that winter wheat is not looking good. Some has not even come out of the ground. So I think that we are going to see some crop damage, but just right now it's not in the market yet. And so it sent the market lower double digits. We're down almost 10 cents today, which was really a kind of a surprise and has a few traders scratching their head. If we get a little bit more liquidation, maybe we'll have somewhat of a follow-through selling. Although the fundamentals don't bear that out, but we're going to watch that closely. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. I'm Virginia McGathey.